Good morning, Shane. How are you, Shane?
I'm fine.
Okay, good, very good. So you finished your breakfast, right? You finished your breakfast? Okay, hi, Tin. Good morning, Tin. Hi, Tin. What did you eat for your breakfast, Shane? What did you eat for your breakfast? Have you drank your milk already? You drank your milk already, Shane?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Hi, Tin. Good morning, Tin. How are you, Tin? Good morning, Tin. Can you say good morning to Tin Shane? Oh, Tin Shane? Say good morning, Tin. Tin, can you say good morning to Shane? Say good morning. Good morning, Tin. Hi, Pat. Good morning, Pat. Welcome to our math class. Okay, Pat, Tin, and Shane. So we have Pat, Tin, and Shane. Are you ready for our math?
ก็คือเปิดหน้าไปก่อนละกัน
Ten? How are you, Ten? How are you? Good. I miss you. Okay, now let us for our math for today, because okay, let us wait first. Anna is coming. Hi, Anna. Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Anna. Welcome to our math class. Okay. So Anna also is coming. Now, for our math for today, have you remember we do the missing, fill in the missing number from 1 up to 50? And you are doing it, right? You are answering it. You remember that one? And after you answer that worksheet, I suppose want to ask you to count numbers from 1 up to 50. But because we don't have enough time, that's why I want to continue today, and I want to ask you to count one by one from 1 up to 50. I will check if you can, if you know already how to count from 1 up to 50, okay? Are you ready for that? Counting from 1 up to 50, one by one. Okay? For today, I just want oral, no writing. No writing for today, because I want all of you today will count from 1 to 50, one by one, okay? Hi, Nicha. Good morning, Nicha. Good morning, Nicha. How are you? Okay, let's start. I prepare this one. Okay, you have to prepare, because I will ask you one by one to count from 1 up to 50, okay? So let us start so we can catch the time. Okay, Nicha, hello. Okay, now let us start. Okay, I will put this one first like that. Okay, just a minute. Okay, welcome to our math class. Okay, somebody's coming up. Okay, so we have Item. Hi, Item. Good morning, Item. So we have Pen, Pat, Nicha, Anna. Good morning, Item. And Shane. Okay. So let us start now, okay? Because all of you needs to count from 1 up to 50. Let us start. So counting numbers from 1 up to 50. Let us first do this one. Okay, let us start. And watch this one first because all of you will count from 1 up to 50.
Golden
okay?
Kids Learning.
Numbers 1 through 50.
Okay, let us count all together, okay? Practice.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
and
8,
you have to start
9,
counting. Let us practice because all of
10,
you will count from 1 up to 50.
11, 12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
16,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
20, then 20,
21,
21,
22, 23,
open your mouth,
24,
all together, let us count first all together, and then we will count
26,
one by one,
27,
28,
29, 30, 31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36,
okay, open your mouth, item, look at here,
37, 38,
38,
39,
39,
40,
40,
41,
41,
42,
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45, 46,
then open your mouth,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49, 50.
Okay. You can memorize. You can count
Okay.
already. Are you ready?
Let's count
Now
again.
let's go more faster, okay? More faster. Count
1, 2,
3,
4,
5, 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Okay. So are you ready? Are you ready to count? It's your turn. Okay. Now I want to hear from you one by one, counting from 1 up to 50. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Who wants to do this first? Who wants? Can you raise your hands? Who can count? Who wants to do first? Who wants to count from 1 up to 50 first? Isha, Shane, you want to go first? Count from 1 up to 50. You want to count first, Shane? Okay, you can. Let's start with Shane. 1 up to 50, Shane. Okay. Okay, Shane. Okay. Now let's start. Let's start with Shane. All of you have to prepare because all of you will count from 1 up to 50. Okay. I will check if all of you know already how to count from 1 up to 50. Okay. All of you needs to prepare. Now, let's start first with Shane, okay? Okay, come on, Shane. Okay, can we start now? In 3, 2, 1, start. So, come on, Shane.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
องเร็วๆวันทูที่เร็ว
ว่าเดินที่ทำการเฉยๆนายเล่น
ๆดีแล้ว
เล่นเข้าเร็วเดินที่วันก็ที่
Very good. So for today, I will give 15 stars. Okay. Very good. Say eight. Excellent. Now let's go. Very good. Okay. Now I know you are very good. Okay. From 1 up to 15. Now let's go to Ita or Tin. Who wants to go first? Ita or Tin? Let's go first, Nita. Nita, are you ready?
Yeah.
And 3, 2, 1, start. 1,
2,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
very
11,
good.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 77, 78, 79, 30,
Yes, very good.
32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Very good.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Also, Nita received 10 stars. Okay, very good. So, Nita and Shane, you finished already. You are doing very good job. Now let's go to 10. Are you ready for the stand? Are you ready? Okay, 10 and 3, 2, 1. Start. Start 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yes.
12,
Yes.
13,
Yes.
14,
Yes. Very good.
16,
Yes. 16.
17,
Yes.
18, 19, 20,
Yes.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
Very good.
31,
Okay,
32,
continue.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Very good.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
8. Okay, very good. So for today, can you receive 10 stars? You have 10 stars for today, 10. Then Shane and Nita. And now let's go to Item. You want to go first, Item, or Hannah? Anna. Item. Can you go first, Item? Let us count Item from 1 up to 50. Come on, Item.
เอาท่องเนี่ยตามที่ชื่อ
Okay.
ท่องสิ
Okay, come on.
ท่อง
Okay,
one
and are you ready, item? Okay.
Are you ready
And 3, 2, 1,
one
start.
เอาท่องเลย
Okay,
Hmm.
item. 1,
one ลูก one เอาเลย
1.
ท่องเนี่ยที่ชื่อให้ท่องลูก
Okay, come on, item.
เลย
Start
เพื่อน
now.
มัน
Let's
ท่อง
start.
ได้เลยเอา
Okay,
วัน
you
ลู
can
ก
do it.
วัน
Come on,
เนี่ย
come on. Okay,
โอ้พูดดี
very good.
ๆชี้เอาพูดดีๆลูก
Just a minute.
พูดดัง
A minute. Okay. I
ๆพูด
freeze
ดัง
it.
อย่าพูด
Okay, just a minute.
ตั้งใจดีๆสิ
Okay, again. Item, come on, 3.
ชี้แล้วลูกพูดดัง
4. Very good,
ๆ
item.
ว้าว
5. Yes.
พูดดี
Yes.
ๆ
8. Yes.
น่า
9.
พูดดัง
Yes, very good. Yes. Very good, item.
ๆแล้วเริ่มลูก
Yes.
ทำไมลูกพูดดีๆ
12. Then.
13
Very good, item. Okay.
15
Okay.
แล้วก็อะไร
Come on,
15สิลูก
item. Okay. Next.
46
16. Next. Next item. Okay, sit properly, item. You can sit properly, item. Okay, sit properly first, item. Item, look at here. Sit properly.
20พูดดัง
Okay, look at her first, item. Sit properly, okay? Okay, come on.
21
Okay.
23พูดดีๆ24
Okay, very good, item.
26
Okay.
27
That's very good.
28
Yes.
30
Yes.
31
Okay, very good, item.
33 34 35
5.
36
Okay.
37
Yes.
38
Yes, very good, item.
39 39 40
Very good.
42พูดดังๆ43
40. Item, sit properly first. No. Item, no. You have to sit properly. Put your legs down. Item, sit properly. I want you to sit properly, item. And look at here.
นี่
Item,
44
item, now. You remember? Sit properly.
47
Okay.
49
48. 49. Item.
50
Okay. Okay. So for today, item, you receive 10 stars. Okay? 10 stars. So, are you ready? Now let's go to Anna and Kat. Who will go first? Anna? Okay, Anna first. Okay, now let's start, Anna.
ช่วงนี้น้องท่องไม่เก่งเร็วๆน้องต้องพูด
วัน
ดั
ดู
ง
ที่ว่าไปเยอะๆเล่นได้เล่นเล่นได้ถ้าดีก็ดีคิกเล่นหินเอ็ดหินได้หินทำเอ็ดหิ
Yes.
เล่นวัน
ๆขึ้นมาเร็ว
เล่นทูเล่นดี
Yes.
เล่นดีกว่าทำเอ็ดได้
Yes.
ทำเอ็ดได้คิด
Yes.
ใช่ไหม
Yes.
28.
Yes.
29.
30 นั่งเฉย
30.
Very good, Anna.
31.
32
32.
Yes.
33.
Yes.
34.
Yes.
35.
Yes.
36.
Yes. Very good.
38.
มาดีๆมา
Yes.
ดี
39.
ๆเดี๋ยวให้
Yes.
ไปล้างกางเกงอ่ะเห็นขี้แล้ว
41.
40.
42.
เพื่อนเขาเข้ามาย่างได้ติมเอ้ย
43.
43.
44.
44. 44. You say it clear, Anna, okay? 44, okay? Come on, Anna, continue. 44. Then 45. Come on, Anna. I cannot hear you. 45. 45. Okay. I cannot hear you, Anna. You're almost there. Wait, I press again. Okay, Anna. Okay, continue, Anna. 46. 46. 47. Okay. 48. Okay. 50. Okay, very good, Anna. Very good, Anna. Yay. You are very good. So, Anna, for today, you also received 5, 10 stars. Oh, yeah, you are very good. You received 10 stars for today. Okay, very good, Anna. Yay. And now let's go to Pat. Okay, Pat, are you ready for this, Pat? Okay, now let us wait first, okay? So start in 3, 2, 1. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18,
16.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
From 1 up to 50, okay? You know now how to count from who else is in there? So all of you finish? Okay, all of you finish counting? Yeah, you are all very good too. Now we can go to a higher numbers, okay? Now you are very good. All of you are very good in counting from 1 up to 50. And you are ready for the higher number, okay? I think next time we will go to 1 up to 100. You can do it, Kiku? You can count from 1 up to 100 next time? Okay? Okay, next time you have to practice from now on 1 up to 100, okay? And I will get back again. I will let you again count from 1 up to 100. So for our record, from 1 up to 50, 10 finish, Nisha, Item, Anna, Shane, and Pat finish the 1 up to 50. So to those who did not attend the Zoom class today, you have to also count from 1 up to 50 first. So James did not did not count yet. I did not hear from James first yet. James, not yet. Matt, not yet. Okay. Harich, not yet. Okay. Pear, not yet. Okay. We have campsite, not yet. So Kaphao also not yet. And Baibang, Sandy. Okay. So those who did not count yet, because I want all of you, I want to clear if you all of you can count already from 1 up to 50. To those who did not count, I will let you count again. Okay, when we get back here from 1 up to 50. But for those who are here now, like Nisha, Pat, Ten, Anna, Item, and Shane, you have to practice counting now from 1 up to 100. Okay, you are now in a second level. Woo! You are now in a second level of challenge. Okay, from 1 up to 100. Okay, are you ready for that? Okay, so I just want to call the attention of for people who did not attend the Zoom class. Please do attend the Zoom class because I really miss you. Kaphao, Sandy, Campsite, Pear, James, Matt is also attending, Harris, but to all of you, to those who did not attend too much, please do attend our Zoom class, okay? We have many activities in here. Do attend Kaphao, Campsite, Pear, Sandy, okay? Please attend. You can please spend time to attend Zoom classes. Okay, K2, I want all of you, I want all K2 and learn you are all very smart, K2, okay? I know you very well, so I am so happy and very proud of you. So let us ready for the next challenge, okay? 1 up to 100. And okay, I will go to this one first. I suppose want to let you do the spelling. This one. I suppose want to let you do this one. This one. This is my next preparation. Okay, this is just a preparation because we don't have enough time. I am just showing this to you. Okay. After you can count from 1 up to 100, let us go to spelling. Okay. Okay. This is only my preparation. And then for today, because our time is already up, okay, I want to say thank you to all of you and practice counting, okay? Just enjoy learning. We need just to enjoy learning. So next time, 1 up to 100, okay? Hey, yay! So you have to gain many, if you have many stars already, you can have your ice cream and you can have your gift. Okay? You want ice cream, right? Okay, then okay, now, yes, I know you want ice cream. So you have to keep practice and study, okay? Okay, K2? Okay, so this is all for today. And I want to say thank you to all of you so much for listening. Heart time. See you. Heart time. Okay, bye. I love you. Then I want to see you heart sign then. Heart sign then. Then look at here. Okay, heart sign. Then hello. Hello. Look at that. Heart sign. Okay, so thank you so much, Stan, Icon, Nisha, Shane, Anna, Pat, thank you. I love you. Bye. See you next time. See you 10:20 for our science, okay? 10:20 for our science. Okay, bye for now. Bye. Thank you.